Mia's deciding she wants to play. No, go down. Go down. Go on. There we go. Here we go. 1, 2, catch it. Okay, go. Go. And there we go again, waiting to catch it. And we throw it. There she is. Ready? Go down. Come on. You took your toy with you. Oh. Mia. Alright, ready? Go get it. Go get it. Go. Come on. Go on. That bushy tail. Go. Get down. Get down, I'm going to throw it. Alright, last one. There you go. No? Hello. I see a shoe down there. She says, hello, people.